Hello there, it's Jay here from Jay's Vintage Junk, and today I thought we'd just do a super quick little unboxing video. I've picked up a few things, thought I might have a bit of fun having a look at them. First isn't anything major, but I picked these up. I always use Makita drills, and I got this as a spares or repairs lot on eBay. I paid not with, I have been playing with these, that's one of my batteries because I was just testing them, and that one, there's actually nothing wrong with it at all, it's fine. And actually that's, the reason I bought this is a while back I dropped one of my Makita drills. It still works, but I cracked it along there. And progressively, it's the crack's getting bigger and bigger, and eventually the handle's going to break. And now you can pick shells up for these second hand for about 10 quid. But I saw this lot, and it was that drill. Oops. That one, which is the it's just a drill driver. That's a hammer drill. That's just a drill driver. It's got a little bit of damage on there, but the battery does still hold into it. Unfortunately, this one doesn't work. Oh, yeah. Well, last time I tried it, it didn't. But yeah, that one works as well. So I got the two drills and a spare charger, two batteries. Now the batteries are no good; they won't charge. But you can rebuild these Makita batteries. So I thought it was just a nice little pickup. We might do the tool repair video, giving them a service and what have you. Only reason I really showed you those. But this is. I don't know, I've just got to turn my viewfinder around. I've just realised I've not put my viewfinder on the camera on, so I can't actually see whether you can see what I'm. Come on, you silly thing. There we go. You can see what I'm actually showing you. Yeah, I've got something that I've been after for a while here. It's another computer. It's a Commodore, but it's not what you'd think. You know, it's not an Amiga or anything like that. I took a bit of a gamble on this. Basically, there was a computer advertised on eBay. I've been after a 386, a low-end 386. I've got low-end 486s. It's the only computer I haven't really got in my collection. Was a low-end 386 or a very high-end 286. For just certain software that really likes to run on that kind of hardware, even though like a 486 SX25 can be that little bit fast for it. So I've been looking for a system like that for a while, particularly a small form factor one. I didn't want a big, huge computer. This was advertised with a buy it now of 50 quid, which for that kind of computer now is actually pretty good. They're getting really quite expensive, more than really I usually like to pay. But the description on it was not very good. It was advertised as an IBM 386. And it's a Commodore, and I'm sure if the guy had advertised it as a Commodore, you'd probably got more money. You would not put it on a buy it now. You've probably got a bit more money for it. Anyway, let's. But like I said, there was one picture of it. The description wasn't very good. And actually, after I made the purchase, I discovered I looked back in at the guy's feedback, and he'd actually received negative feedback for this product, where I don't know, something must have happened with the auction or something, and the guy had left him bad feedback over it. But anyway, it's arrived to me. So let's get the box open and see what we've got. See, I'm not entirely sure what has been included in this. He did mention something about a second disk drive, an external disk drive, a 5 1/4 inch one. But that wasn't shown in the listing. I think he mentioned the monitor as well, but I don't know if that was for if you collected it only and it was the other side of the country. You know, it was too far away to pick up. Packing isn't. I can't say the packing's the best, but let's see what we've got. It's got an interesting curry aroma coming from this box, I will say. I wonder if this... Ah, right, yeah, it can take... The guy works in the takeaway. Ooh. Ooh. Ah. Right. Oh, wow. The guy, yeah. It's not a Commodore. This is cool. I was not expecting this because these do sell for quite a lot of money, especially with what we've got here. Oh, wow. So his description was right. Oh, wow. This is very cool. His description was right, his picture was wrong. It's not a Commodore, it is an IBM. And I think I think this is a Model M. Let's have a look on this. I think that's a Model M keyboard. The sticker on the back is incredibly badly worn. I can't really read it, but it's got a cover on it. Oh wow! Look at that! Oh wow! It's got no yellowing on it at all. That is absolutely like virgin fresh. Wow. Oh wow. Sorry, I'm saying wow quite a lot. I was not expecting this at all. So yeah, look. It's always had the cover left over the key. Oh wow. It's always had the cover left over the keyboard. And we do indeed. Look. External IBM 5¼ inch floppy drive. Proprietary connector on it, so I presume this... I can't believe this. This is not what I was expecting. So I've got a genuine IBM 5¼ inch external drive. I'm going to have to find an early IBM VJ monitor for this. IEC lead. The other IEC lead. Here it is. Oh, we've got the PS2 cable for the keyboard. There's no mouse, but I've got correct mice for this, or something that'll be good enough. Look at that. We have got, it is a PS2 model 55SX. So is this an MCA machine or is it an ISA machine? I'm not sure. Can't even remember. I've not worked on an IBM machine like this since the 90s. Wow. Just get you down a little bit so you can see. Oops. There we go. So we've got an IBM PS2 55SX. So I think it is a 386 SX. It does slightly worryingly have a key lock on. I think that's in the unlock position though, because I don't have a key for that. But it does have the IBM key lock there. Like I said, I do believe that's in the unlock position, fortunately. Because I did used to have them keys as well, but I don't think I've got them anymore. We'll need a screwdriver. We won't go into it now. We'll leave that. We'll have a separate video on partly because I've got to go and do a job for someone in half an hour, so I haven't got time now. But we will do a separate proper video on this because this is not, like I said, this is not what I was expecting. From the pictures I thought it was a Commodore, and I thought he just made a mistake there, but no, this is a genuine IBM. With all, I mean, these disk drives, the 5 1/4 inch disk drives, are rare as hell. Actually, it uses a card. I wonder if this is MCA. I think this could be an MCA machine, microchannel architecture, rather than the ISA. That is super cool. I'm absolutely over. I guess you can tell I'm absolutely over the moon. I do like my IBM stuff. I have a IBM 5150, an original IBM. I will do a proper video on that one day, but to have a really cool IBM PS2 like that is wow. The only slight downside is if this is an MCA machine, so I feel it probably is, I did really want to put a sound card in the system for what some of the games I want to play, and MCA sound cards are very rare, very expensive, and not very compatible with gaming software. But anyway, we've got an IBM PS2 to play with. I'm going to leave it there for now, like I said, because I've got to go and do other things. But I thought I'd just do a really quick video on this, show you what I've got, because like I said, it's meant to. I thought I was getting a Commodore, which would have been cool. I mean, they're quite nice machines, but that is so much cooler. Wow. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that little video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.